But I think the first thing that starts with is having an open line of communication that's built on trust with each other. It's all the same thing.
Having a scale, what's a 1 and a 10? Like how far am I able to go?
Yeah.
Is an independent shop labeled considered a 5 or a 6? Like how's my max range?
I would agree with you. I've been in those situations where you suggest something and say something and they get super offended by it, but you've already done all the legwork.
AC Delco makes an oil filter for a BMW.
That's right.
Mopar. You can buy a Mopar for a BMW.
Yeah. Well, so last thing on my list is I want to build a network. When you're talking about back orders in those situations, as a parts manager, if I knew something was on back order, it goes back to the control thing. I control the world. I've got the part. You don't. You need me, I don't need you, so then I can make the price whatever I want to. Capitalism at its finest, supply and demand. But I want to build a network of people that I know. That's one of the things that I think that we have a benefit on is the network that we have as coaches and going into stores. Great. That we have the edge. We that's our competitive edge there. But I think if you can build a network of different places and different people,
can't have enough friends.
In-state, yes, yeah. And it can be aftermarket sources and salvage yards and other dealers and other brands and all those things.
That's great.
If you've got a guy that knows that filter will work on that vehicle and you need it, like who better to go to? I think often we, not only do we build these silos inside the store, but we do that, I can't go outside of this area. I can't call another state. But we can, and we can build that connection and that friendships and all these things of that. So I think that's the other portion of it is having a network so that when things do go down, I'm not completely fearful because I have networks of other places that I can go to.
Great. So let's go through the list really quick one more time.
So go through the list one more time. Number 1, think beyond now. Number 2, make use of bulk purchases and purchase discounts. Number 3 is I want to try new in different places. Number 4, I'm going to have to use the internet and do some searching out there. And then number 5 is I want to build a really good network of multiple different avenues.
Thanks so much for watching this clip of Service Driver Revolution. We're uploading new stuff every day, so make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out. If you have a question you'd like us to answer on the show, call 8333-ASK-SDR and we'll answer your question on the show. That's 8333-ASK-SDR. For special deals on our books and training, head over to offers.chriscollinsinc.com. Now that's offers.chriscollinsinc.com. I'm Chris Collins, and I'll see you in the next video.